Hi everyone, I'm here today with a quick announcement. Flexible Learning Experience, also known as FLEX. Through FLEX, students are learning virtually alongside their peers with the same STS content, taught live by our experienced and qualified teachers. Our FLEX classes are taught in real time. Safe classroom participation and interaction with teachers and peers is expected. Classrooms are streamed weekly during an assigned class time, which may differ from your in-person STS class, and our flex classes are offered from Monday to Friday between 4 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Upon verifying your email, students will have access to their assigned Flex Google Classroom, which contains a link for students to join the live class on a weekly basis. Students will also have access to weekly quizzes and lesson material, which you may complete digitally, or you can print off, complete, and scan back to your teachers. Homework and quizzes are marked and returned electronically. We respect everyone's safety and privacy, and with that being said, we assure that all live stream will not be published or recorded. Only registered students and educators will have access to the unique live stream link. So, just like our in-person classes, we begin our class with a quiz and a quiz take-up. We also are still doing try questions and examples so that it provides students with an opportunity to ask questions that are catered to their own individualized needs. Weekly homework is assigned and turned in electronically to the teacher. And new registrations are completed online and assessment tests are completed virtually so that we may place you into a class that's catered to you and your needs.